Packing cubes are a travel essential for anyone seeking to stay organized while on the go. There are many products available to choose packing cubes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best packing cubes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Compression packing cubes. Trip packing cubes are a must-have for travelers. They help compress your clothes, saving space in your luggage. The two-zipper system eliminates extra bulk, making them perfect for carry-ons. These cubes are great for organizing different outfits and keeping dirty laundry separate. Made of durable ripstop polyurethane fabric, they are lightweight, water-resistant, and reliable. The set includes various sizes for different clothing items. Trick number 2. All-included 10-set sturdy packing cubes. Olerhike packing cubes offer a solution for all your travel needs. With 6 different sized cubes, a toiletry bag, laundry bag, shoe bag, and accessory bag, you can easily pack jackets, shirts, shoes, toiletries, and more. The cubes are durable with anti-tearing materials and reinforced seams. The breathable mesh panels allow you to see your items at a glance, making it easy to locate your belongings. The smooth zippers reduce snags, ensuring longevity. These versatile organizers keep your essentials separated and neatly packed. Number 3. 8 pieces packing cubes. Olerhike packing cubes with toiletry bag simplifies your packing experience with lightweight cubes in multiple sizes that fit most luggage. These cubes provide easy access, storage, and simplify packing/unpacking. The set includes 4 sized packing cubes, 1 toiletry bag, 1 laundry bag, 1 shoe bag, and 1 accessory bag, perfect for organizing essentials like clothes, toiletries, and shoes. Built to last with anti-tearing and water-resistant materials, reinforced seams, and sturdy zippers that slide smoothly, these cubes are designed to withstand frequent use. Number 4. Amazon Basics 4-piece packing cubes. The Amazon Basics organizer set is perfect for all your travel needs. With a mesh top panel, you can easily identify what's inside without damaging your clothes. The durable construction and double zipper pulls ensure longevity, while the finished interior seams add extra strength. These cubes come in multiple sizes and styles, each with a webbing handle for convenient carrying. Plus, they are machine washable, making cleaning a breeze. Number 5. 6-set packing cubes. The Olerhike packing cubes for travel are a set of 6 lightweight and durable luggage organizers that come in 4 different sizes and 9 color options. These packing cubes make packing and unpacking easier by providing convenient storage and accessibility. The cubes are designed to fit perfectly in most suitcases, luggage compartments, and travel bags. The mesh netting is rip and tear resistant, making it easy to find what you're looking for without removing the contents. The breathable netting allows air to circulate, keeping clothing fresh. The cubes are constructed with damage-resistant double seams, high-density stitching, and sturdy, high-quality SBS metal zippers that reduce the likelihood of jamming and snags. The side handles allow for easy lifting.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.